Hello guys, this is an instructional video for Philips Simply Go portable oxygen concentrator. Here we are going to explain how to operate the machine, how to change the battery, and also how to connect the mains charger. So coming to the first point, how to operate the machine. As you can see, this is the on off switch. We will press this switch once, we will wait for the light to come, and then we will press it second time. When we press it second time, the screen will show that the machine has turned on. And whenever you want to turn off the instrument, we are going to do it in the same way. Just a brief description of the screen. This wave sign indicates that the machine is being used in the pulse mode, and these three small dots indicate that the mains power charger is connected. I mean to say, this thing is connected here properly, and hence this three dots are there, and this one line. You can increase and decrease by these switches, and you can change the mode by this switch. For example, if I want to go to pulse mode, I will press the M switch twice. Now this is the indication for pulse mode. So here also you can increase or decrease the values. Please note that again, if I want to go into the continuous mode, I will press the M switch. This wave sign will come, and now the machine is switched into a continuous mode. Here the maximum output is 2. It won't go above 2. Initially, for say about 1 or 1.5 minutes, you won't feel any oxygen here. So just wait for 1 or 2 minutes and just put your finger here. Do like this, you can feel that the oxygen is coming out. This was part 1. Okay. Now just in case we want to change the batteries. As you can see here, the battery is full right now. So we will turn off the machine by pressing this switch twice, and then we will go to this part. This is a swappable battery. What you have to do, put your fingers on this side and just bend your fingers here and take this thing out. The battery is out here. I'll just show you. This is how the battery looks. This is where this is the layout of the battery, and you can just, you want to put any other battery, then you can just put it here. You can check the battery from the outside also, just in case if you want to know. Then as you can see here, 100, 75, 50 and 25, these readings are there. This is the percentage of charge. So just press on this white switch, and these green lights will indicate how much charge is in the battery. Okay. And now just again, if you want to put this battery inside, you will this flap is on the outer side. Just remember that part, that the finger grip is always on the outer side, and whenever you put it, after just press it once, so it is connected properly. Okay. Now we will come to the third part. That means how to connect this machine. Now as you can see, there is a connection here. I will just focus on that. Yes. Now what you have to do is, this is the pin, right? This is the pin. Now this pin has to be exactly straight. That's the best way to explain it, because you can match the pins and connect in that way also, but basically this thing is exactly straight. So whenever you fix it, you connect it straight and you just push it inside. It will be connected in a proper way. The car charger connections also are in the same way. Car charger has also got the same type of pin, and that also gets connected here only. So this is the way you connect it, and this is what the mains charger looks like. It has got a green light here and a mains power cord which you can plug into the main socket. And this is how the car charger looks like. This is the car charger, and this is the second end of the car charger. Look, it is the same as per the mains charger, and it will get fixed into the same port. Okay, I think this much information will be good. Thank you.